Rondo coming at you from NomadicVan.Life here in Sun Valley, Idaho, where the most super premium Mitsubishi Delicas are released straight to you. Don't buy any of those Australian rust buckets. It's a bad deal. They don't know what they're talking about. We're here for you.
Never in my life. Bloody Americans, we've imported Delicas for years. Oh, I'm coming for you, Nomadic Van. Ready.
That has got to be the best four-wheel drive van that I've ever driven. I'll tell you what. NomadicVan.Life is a JDM car dealership and maintenance factory here in Ketchum, Idaho. And we're right here in the proving grounds of what you really need for an overlanding vehicle, right? We've wanted to fill the void in the van life market for a four-wheel drive turbo diesel van. You can drive to the top of the mountain rather than just the parking lot at the bottom. And I wouldn't do this in a Dodge Caravan.
Oh, you wannabe semi-pro snowboarder.
Right now we're actually approaching 70 miles an hour. This thing will do 80 miles an hour stock. So don't worry about it.
Oh, crikey! Oh, there's the Delica! You freaking surfer, bro!
That's what I'm talking about. Thanks for coming along, folks. Rondo with NomadicVan.Life. Absolutely love riding along with you. Let's get after more L400s real soon. It's actually a really fun shoot today. You know, driving around, doing a little bit of rally. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that we live for.
Crocodile Dan here. Out here in the outback. I've been stalking this man-bunned blonde American scum for weeks now. I found the nomadic herd here in the States. But these NomadicVan.Life man-bun weirdos had stole it back from me. I'm here to take it back. Once and for all. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time.
Spin the tires a little bit, hit some puddles. You know, and that's what I'm talking about. Like, that's what I
Come here, you bloody American turd! Oh, crikey! You found my Delica! I'm Crocodile Dan. I've been stalking you in the mud and dirt for days, crawling on my all fours.
Australia's had their turn, it's the US's turn now. Get out of here.
Curse you, NomadicVan.Life!